Computer Networks Merit3 by Gareth Mackey. This is the KR network labelled as Diagram 1. Directory services. Account management will be implemented into the data server so that the user account can be stored, edited, changed in settings, and set user group permissions. The Active Directory will also be implemented into the data server within the KR network so that the clients in the network will be able to access the network services. If this service is offline, however, no device will be able to access the services on the network, so I would recommend that the KR network adds additional domain controllers / active directories. Authentication management can be implemented in the KR network at the data server to control all the authentication methods in place on the network. Telecommunication services. Mail will be implemented at the KR email server using POP3, and all the clients that will use the email server will use an SMTP application or website in order to retrieve the emails. Internet relay chat will be implemented at the KR network at the web server for the 25 IT clients so that they'll be able to chat using the open service. Discussion boards will be implemented on the KR network at the email server for all clients to use. Remote access will be implemented on the wireless devices in order to access a primary virtual computer system on the smartphone and tablet. File services. File transfer will be implemented in the data server so that files can be downloaded from the server. It would also be used by all the clients on the network. It may also be used in order to download files from the Cisco server. File sharing would also be implemented in the data server but also can be used by the clients on the network. Application services. Shared resources such as printers will be added to the switches and controlled by the data server in the KR network. Voice over IP will be implemented to the clients on the KR network so that they will be able to communicate using VoIP in the network and over the internet. Mobile working. Authentication. The routers within the KR network could use authentication such as CHAP, Challenge Handshake Application Protocol, or Terminal Access Controller Access Control System for the routers, switches and servers within the KR network. The wireless access point can use WEP in order to authenticate wireless devices.